Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Okay, we looked at the scaling of time, and we realized that in the scaling of time, all these have 24 hours and they start at midnight. And now I'm going to show you the time before. So our question is, if it is 11 p.m. now, what was the time? What was the time? The time 4 hours ago. 4 hours ago. 4 hours ago. Which one is the time now? You are write the time now. 4:11 p.m. Mark it somewhere. It is here. It is here. What was the time 4 hours ago? 4 hours means it has already passed. It is behind. So you move backward 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the time is 7 p.m. And that is what we call the time behind, or the time behind. Now I want to show you a simpler method of calculating the time ahead and the time before that can be used. There is a simpler method that will help you get to this. Anytime they ask you the time ahead, we add. The time behind, we subtract. For example, right now it is 4:00 a.m. What time will it be? What time will it be? What time will it be? Will it be 3 hours later? This is time ahead. There is a short formula. We saw the short formula is the counting, where we say 4 a.m. 4, then we count how many hours? 1, 2, 3, then we get 7 a.m. Why don't we simply add this and this? Because you're getting data. We simply say that we have 4:00 a.m. right now, and because these are hours, this one, anytime you see 4.00, it means that you are putting a point to separate minutes and hours. So these are hours, these are minutes. So where do we put the 3? In the hour side. Then you also add the zeros. What time will it be? 7. What time will it be? It will be 7. Anytime you realize that the answer is not more than 12, that answer is always in AM. Because if I count all the hours from here, I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If I was to continue, I would continue with 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and then 24. And that's what we normally say, that a day has 24 hours. What have you noticed? All PM answers are more than 12. All AM answers are less than 12. Therefore, is it possible to calculate a complex question of this kind? It is now 11:00 a.m. What time will it be? 7 hours later. 7 hours later. 7 hours later. Using my scale here, I'll just get to this and say 1, 2, 3, 4. We just have this. I'll simply say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and get 6 p.m. That was easier. 6 p.m. What if I don't have this right? I will simply take this and add these two. 11:00. The 7 hours cannot be added here because they are in hours, they must be added here. Then you add the minutes. And then you add 0, 0, 8, 1. Getting 1800 is not abnormal. It still tells you that this answer is more than 12. It should be a PM. So to convert it to PM, simply subtract 12. Because it increased. For these numbers to get to 13, we have added this 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 12 plus 2, 14. 12 plus 3, 15. 12 plus 4, 13. So if I need the answer in PM, because I have seen it is more than 18, that one tells me that I'm in the PM sector. I subtract the 12 hours. Get 0, 6. And because I got a small number, remembering that it was previously 18, it becomes 6:00 PM. 6:00 PM. The same way. Now the last question. The same case with the time before. You must not draw the time line. You must not draw this line where you are getting 13, not 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You must not use the whole of this scale. You can simply be asked, it is now 6:00 PM. What was the time? What was the time? What was the time 8 hours ago? 8 hours ago. Such a question, anytime you see PM and you want to, because you are asking of the time ago, you want to subtract. Never take this number to subtract this, because it's like subtracting 3 and the gap is too big because you're in PM and this is in AM. Anytime you see a PM number, always add the 12 and get the higher side of the number. So convert this first before working out. Just get the 6:00 and add the 12 out, this 12, to increase it to the bigger number. You get 18:00 hours. 18:00 hours. Then subtract now 8 hours. 0, 0, 10. If you get that your answer is less than 12, remember that your answer will be in AM. Your answer will be in AM. If not this, now use this method. Just get to 6 PM and count how many hours backward? 8. Where is 6 PM? It's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see? It's just the same. It's just the same. So I'm encouraging you to use this one. Anytime you see PM, add 12. But if it is not PM, don't add anything. For example, such a question where you are given, it is already 11:00 AM. What time was it? 4 hours ago. 4 hours ago. In a simple way, it's getting to 11, and then we count 1, 2, 3, 4. It's supposed to be 7. Now, do I have to add 12 here, the number subtracting? No, because this number is in AM, so you subtract directly. 11 minus 4, or 11:00 minus 4:00. Get 0, 11 minus 4, 7. Is this number more than 12? No, so your answer should be in AM. Should be in AM, because all answers less than 12 are in AM. Do more practice, otherwise have a good day.